What if your hands could unlock a deeper connection between your body and the music? And today we're going to learn two techniques for our hand styles and also for boosting focusness on the music. Of course, you've all heard about a zone called flow. And it means that when we are doing something, we can deeply be connected to that activity without thinking too much or even without thinking about the past, future. We're just in the present moment, and the only thing that matters is how we can do that particular activity. If you want to enter a zone called flow, you need to be attentive, to engage all of your senses, like a sense of sight, touch, hearing. You can use them all to enter the flow zone. So these techniques that I'm going to teach you are not only for the concentration on the music, but also it can help you to be connected with your body and to perform better. So stay with me till the end and enjoy this tutorial. The first technique that you need to learn is tapping or tap. Tapping means that we become like a drummer, use a snare and tap the drum instrument. We tap our bodies on the rhythms. For example, we can tap our bodies with our hands like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So tapping is as simple as this. But there are some tips that you need to know before you want to play and practice this technique. The first thing you need to know is that be aware of your body points. The first point is our head. The second one are our shoulders. The third one, elbow, wrists, hips, knees and ankles. So these are the points that we can play with and we can freestyle with. The techniques that you're going to learn today are going to activate your sense of touching, and when you can feel your body through a touch, you can concentrate more on the music. We had a tutorial about a sense of touch, an essential technique for hand style that you can go to visit this video. Be connect with your body and touch your body through a particular movement. After you've learned about your points, the next step is never stop, groove or bounce while you're using this technique. Like if you're connecting with the music like this, so you can tap without pausing the bounce. You can do this at the same time you're doing bounce or rock or other grooves. The first practice is combining the tap technique with a fixed point is a part of isolation practice that can help you to have clear movements, and it can increase your body awareness. We can tap our points, so while we are dancing we can tap, 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 tap. And whenever we feel like we want to fix the point, we can fix the point like this and keep moving without stop. This fixed point can help you to figure it out how you can develop this type of position and how you can freestyle with this limitation. You know, limitation is really necessary for you as a dancer who want to freestyle. You can play with this, like changing your level and like touching other points in this arm. You can change the position of your body and then go to another point and fix the point. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. You can fix this point and then again keep on dancing without changing the fixed point and use this point, play with it as much as you can, and then change the point somewhere else. The second exercise is tapping plus using different rhythms. As a drummer can use and create different rhythms, we as dancers must use these rhythms in our dance. For example, if the pulse of the music is boom, 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 we have to show it with tapping, like boom, 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 boom. Or if the pulse is ta 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 ta, we can show it like ta 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 ta. So listen carefully to the music and let music move you. The third exercise is using levels. Levels are pretty essential elements for you as dancer. You have to use all the levels that you have in your space. If we want to use levels while we are playing with tapping, we can use the points from up to down, and naturally we can change our levels, like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the last exercise is combine and mix this technique with the basics that you know. The basic steps like Monstery or Running Man or Steve Martin. If you don't know basic steps at all, you can watch the videos that I created on my channel. After you've learned it, you can practice them with this technique. The tap technique is a sharp and aggressive technique that you need to hit the beat. You can change your accent as well, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now it's time to learn a technique that is the opposite side of tapping, which is slide. Slide is a technique that connects your body points. It's not just like tap and finish. It's like tap and continue to move your hands on your body parts, and connect your body points with your hands. So make sure that you can use both hands, not just one. The only thing that you need to know about the slide is soft. It's like touching your body softly, and the melody is targeted by your ears. So the first exercise is using the slide technique with forms, with shapes. You can show that you slide your body like a line, like a line, like a line, a line, or you can show that you can touch your body like a circle, like this, a circle, a circle, a circle, or you can use other forms like triangle, for example, like 1 and 2 and 3, ta ta ta, or ha ha ha. So it's really about your imagination and how you can imagine all the forms that you have. There is another technique that is really helpful, and if you use the slide while you're using that technique, your dance just become something wonderful and amazing. If you want to learn that technique, please check out the video that I put that on this link. Second exercise that we have is use slide while you're using different levels. So you can use your head while you're doing slide, you can use your shoulders, and again go to arms, you can go down and use your hips, chest, and go even lower, use your knees, and even you can reach to the floor and use this technique, touch your body and slide while you're in the floor.
Michael!
The third exercise is again fixed point plus slide. You can fix your movement whenever you want and then continue to dance and use other body parts. And again, change that position, use a slide, use the slide, and if you want you can fix in this part. And again,
Michael.
I'm a liver, I didn't let my top, run up from my up, and I shoot that up, and I'm on the block, and I'm on the block, in New York I'm a liver, I didn't let my top, run up from my up, and I shoot that up, and I'm on the block, and I'm on the block.
the last exercise is using the range. What is the range? Range means that you can show your movement like this or like this. You can show it small or big.
I'm so damn my dog.
Before you click to finish this video, I need to tell you that after this tutorial, I am providing another video on my YouTube channel that is about these two techniques that you've learned today, slide and tap. And I made a drill that can help you to just understand and deeply find out about these techniques, and then you have a challenge with that routine. So if you're interested in learning that tutorial as well, make sure that you check my channel and the playlist that is for techniques. Right after this video, I upload that drill and routine. It's really challenging because you need to combine your footwork with upper body and using your hands, and it's like a coordination practice, and at the same time you can learn how to use tap and slide together, use different rhythms, levels, and change your direction. So make sure that you can check that video as well. Thank you for watching this video. I'm really glad that I can help you through your freestyle journey. If you want more videos, please subscribe this channel, support HipHopeace. Respect, peace, and unity.